May plan ka bang mag-franchise ng story? Magkaroon ng store?
Bakit hindi?
And sakali, if possible.
Well, actually, kung ganito talaga kalakas, diba? Yun naman talaga yung gusto natin i-franchise. And I believe in the product. So again, why not? And siguro sa sa MOA. Yung pinakamalakas na SM kasi. Kaso malamang, meron na sila nun.
Malaki naman yun, so pwedeng sa North at sa South. And ito na lang, binigay kanina ni Sir Jude yung mga plans niya for you. Pero kung ikaw tatanungin, ano yung magiging activity na gusto mong gawin personally for Taho Story?
I want to play basketball, which nandun na nga sa plan yun, hindi ba? Hopefully, kasi dream ko rin naman talaga maging basketball player. I think halos lahat naman ng Pinoy, hindi ba? But to be able to play in a professional level is something na andito pa rin sa akin. So, through Taho Story, sana mabigyan ako ng chance na ma-fulfill ko yung dream na yun. And aside from that, yun lang, siguro kung meron akong naisip na, na flavor, pwede kong i-text lang sila, uy, baka okay to. Yeah.
Thanks, David. Congratulations.
Yes, the floor is open to any other members of the audience who would like to ask a question.
Chikanes. Go Chikanes. Chikanes.